Hi friends, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you. Class syllabus, one of the example. Find the LCM of 12, 45 and 150 by factorization method. First taken here 12. So 12 is dividing with 2. So 2 is the first prime number. So 12 is dividing with 2 will be get 6. 6 is dividing with 2 will be get 3. So second prime number is 3. So 3 is dividing with 3 will be get 1. Next number is 45. So 45 is not divisible by 2. So here we taken 3. So 45 is dividing with 3 will be get 15. 15 is dividing with 3 again will be get 5. 5 is dividing with 5 will be get 1. Next third number is here we taken 150. So 150 is divisible with 2. So that's why here 150 is dividing with 2 will be get 75. 75 is dividing with next prime number is 3. So here we get 25. 25 is dividing with 5. Why? Because here 25 is third prime number is 5. So 25 is dividing with 5 will be get 5. So 5 is dividing with 5 will be get 1. So here we write 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. That means 2 square into 3 power of 1. 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. That means 3 square into 5 power of 1. Next third one number 150. 150 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. That means 2 power of 1 into 3 power of 1 into 5 power of 2. Now since product of the greatest power of each prime factor of the numbers. So here we want to LCM of 12, 45 and 150. So here we write greatest powers. That means here 2 square and 2 power of 1 is there. So here we take 2 power of 2 only. Next in this observation 3 power of 1, 3 power of 2, 3 power of 1 is there. So here multiplying with 3 power of 2. So why? Because here we take two greatest powers. Next here 5 power of 1 and 5 power of 2 is there. So here we taken 5 power of 2. So 2 square means 4. 3 square is equal to 9 and 5 square is equal to 25. So 4 into 25 100. So 100 into 9 will be get 900. So finally we say that 12, 45 and 150 LCM is 900. 10th class students, the sum is most important. So all of you observe this one once. See, find the HCF of 12, 45 and 150. So this is the prime factorization method. So first 12 is dividing with 2 will be get 6. 6 is dividing with 2 will be get 3. So 3 is dividing with 3 will be get 1. Next number is 45. So 45 is first prime number is 2. So 45 is not divisible by 2. So next prime number is 3. So 45 is dividing with 3 will be get 15. So 15 is dividing with 3 will be get 5. So 5 is prime numbers 2, 3, 5 and so on. So here 5 is dividing with 5. So finally we get 1. Next last number is 150. So 150 is dividing with 2. Why? Because 150 is divisible by 2. So 150 is dividing with 2 will be get 75. So 75 is not divisible by 2. So next prime number is 3. So 75 is dividing with 3. Why? Because 75 is divisible by 3. So 75 is dividing with 3 will be get 25. 25 is dividing with 5. So 5 is also third prime number. So 25 is dividing with 5 will be get 5. So 5 is dividing with 5 will be get 1. So finally we write 12 prime factorizations. Here we write so 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. that means 2 square into 3 power of 1. 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5, that means 3 square into 5 power of 1. 150 is equal to, here we write 2 into 3 into 5 into 5, that means 2 power of 1 into 3 power of 1 into 5 power of 2. Now in 10th class syllabus already we know that this is the one of the rule. So SCF find unique, one of the rule. See children, product of the smallest power of each common prime factor of the numbers. In these, which is the common factor and smallest power? Here we want to smallest power. So in 3 power of 1, 3 power of 2, 3 power of 1 is the common factors. So common prime factors. In these, smallest powers are 3 power of 1, 3 power of 1 and 3 power of 2 means already in this 3 power of 1 is there. So finally we say that the HCF of given three numbers 12, 45 and 150 is 3 power of 1. So that means 3. Relationship between LCM and HCF. Product of LCM and HCF of the two numbers is equal to product of the two numbers. For any two positive integers small a and b, here we write HCF of a comma b into LCM of a comma b is equal to a into b. For example, here we given numbers are 18 and 27. Now prime factorization, here we write first, here we taken 18. So 18 is dividing with 2 will be get 9. 9 is dividing with 3 will be get 3. 3 is dividing with 3 will be get 1. Now second number is 27 is dividing with 3 will be get 9. 9 is dividing with 3 will be get 3. 3 is dividing with 3 will be get 1. So finally here we write prime factorization 18 is equal to, here we write 2 into 3 into 3. 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. Now in these common numbers are 3 and 3. So finally we say that HCF of 18 and 27 is, here pick only single one. That means here common numbers, here we take only single time 3 into 3. So finally we get 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Then after, here we write LCM of 18 and 27 is, already we know that common numbers are 3 and 3. Then after remaining numbers are 2 into 3. Here we write 2 into 3. So finally we write 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 will be get 54. Now HCF into LCM is equal to 9 into 54. So 9 into 54 is equal to 486. Then product of the given numbers, that means 18 into 27 also here will be get 486. Finally we say that therefore HCF of 18 comma 27 into LCM of 18 comma 27 is equal to 18 into 27. Next example, the HCF of two numbers is 6 and their LCM is 36. If one of the number is 12, then find other number. So first here we write let the required second number is small b. Now given that HCF of 12 comma b is 6 and also LCM of 12 comma b is 36. Now using on this rule, HCF of 12 comma b into LCM of 12 comma b is equal to 12 into b. Now here we write HCF of 12 comma b is equal to 6. LCM of 12 comma b is equal to 36 is equal to 12 into b. Now here we write 12 into b is right in left side, 6 into 36 is right in right side. Then after b is equal to, here we write 12 is left side here multiplication we write 12 is changing to right side will be get dividing. So now 6 1 ja 6 2 ja 12, 2 1 ja 2, 18 ja 36. So finally we say that b is equal to 18. Now here we write required second number is small b is equal to 18.